Don't let woodworking overwhelm you. The HM126 portable sawmill is not just a tool, it's the key to bringing your woodworking ideas to life. Imagine turning rough logs into beautiful, smooth planks for your dream deck or sturdy beams for the cabin you've always wanted. With the HM126, your vision for custom lumber becomes a reality. The LogMax 10000 XT is an exceptional harvester head designed to deliver unmatched precision, power, and durability. With its integrated top saw, it enhances productivity, making it an ideal choice for both harvesting and processing large, tough logs. Equipped with 5 movable knives and 2 hydraulic feed rollers, it guarantees efficient delimbing and smooth wood feeding, even in the most challenging logging conditions. The 10000 XT's robust construction and advanced features make it the reliable go-to tool for professionals seeking maximum performance and reliability in their toughest jobs. For unmatched power and versatility in the woods, the OSA 270 Hilo is your ultimate machine. Capable of hauling 12 tons effortlessly, its advanced leveling system ensures stability on even the toughest terrain. Whether forwarding logs or processing timber, this beast handles it all. Pair it with the OSA 710 processor, and you're ready to take on any challenge with unstoppable performance and precision. Can you even picture it? Hundreds of feet in the air, the chainsaw buzzing, adrenaline rushing through your veins, and then, in an instant, the tree begins to fall. It's like the entire world starts to tilt beneath you. The sheer power, the thrill, it's enough to make anyone's heart race. Personally, I'd be freaking out, but not these guys. They're absolute pros, calm under pressure, and in control, handling the job like true experts. It's a breathtaking mix of skill, courage, and precision. In forestry, reliability and efficiency are key. That's where the Komatsu 901XC truly stands out. With its 8-wheel stability and the powerful C93 head, this machine is engineered to deliver exceptional performance, even in the most challenging conditions. It's built tough to withstand the rigors of the job, yet designed for comfort, ensuring long hours of operation with ease. The Komatsu 901XC isn't just a tool, it's a partner that helps you maximize productivity and get the most out of your logging operation every single day. That's how real lumber was made. Back then, even the biggest mills could handle logs the size of a Buick without a problem. Today, it's all about maximizing yield. But where's the craftsmanship in that? That's why we keep these old machines running. They're a reminder of a time when quality and skill mattered more than just profit. wood chipper in this video will surely impress you with its power and exceptional performance. Its ability to handle branches up to 200 millimeters in diameter and a productivity of up to 14 cubic meters of firewood per hour makes it an essential tool for large-scale logging jobs. Powered by a John Deere tractor, the machine runs smoothly and efficiently, easily handling all types of wood. While the operating cost may be high, if you need a quick and effective solution, this is the ideal choice to save time and boost productivity. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys dealing with stumps. They're tough, time-consuming, and always seem to get in the way. But with this tool, getting rid of them becomes almost enjoyable. It's that smooth and efficient. I was genuinely surprised at how effortlessly it handles what would usually be a messy, tiring task. If you've been dreading stump removal, this tool will change your perspective. Watch the video and see for yourself just how easy and satisfying it can be. It's the kind of tool that turns a chore into something almost enjoyable. One second the tree is standing, the next it's a pile of wood chips. That's serious power. The DAH 150E mulchers paired with John Deere are in a class of their own. Fast, efficient, and incredibly powerful. This machine is a game changer for any job. Distinctive sound. It's more than just an engine. It's a wave of nostalgia for some and a thrilling overture to adventure for others. The 1974 Kenworth Big James with its Detroit 12V71 engine is like a sonic time capsule, transporting us back to the forests of our youth. There's something magical about the way it hums, that deep, rumbling growl that stirs memory and symbols. It's not just a truck. It's a connection to a past filled with adventure, hard work, and the raw beauty of the forest. This machine doesn't just take you places. It takes you back in time, a true classic in every sense. Hold on to your hats, folks. This chainsaw operator has skills that will blow your mind. Honestly, I can barely cut a straight line through a loaf of bread, and here he is, carving through wood like it's butter. Forget the sawmill. This guy's a one-man lumberjack show. Watching him work is pure artistry, precision, power, and control all in one. It's honestly impressive to see someone handle a chainsaw with such ease and finesse. Mad respect for this level of talent. Not everyone can do what he's doing, and it's a reminder of just how much skill and expertise go into the simplest of tasks. What we're witnessing here is the work of a true master. This isn't just a forester. This is someone who has become one with the woods. The rhythm of his cuts flows effortlessly, as natural as the air he breathes. Each stroke is clean, precise, like a finely tuned symphony of steel and timber. It's not every day you get to see someone with this level of skill, someone who turns a chainsaw into an extension of themselves. This, my friends, is artistry in the forest. Raw, powerful, and breathtaking. We're witnessing mastery in motion, and it's a sight to behold. Wow, check out the precision on this operator. He's got a masterful command of that CAT 305E2. Every movement is deliberate, every maneuver carefully calculated. Watch how he uses the machine's weight and leverage to extract that massive root ball. It's textbook excavation technique right there. This is not just a job, this is a display of true professionalism. You can see the skill and expertise in every action, making it look effortless while handling a task that most would struggle with. This is what expert-level excavation looks like in action. That's what it's like when this vehicle hits a sharp turn. The pressure builds and one wrong move leads to disaster. The truck fights for control, but gravity wins, tipping it over. This is the intense reality drivers face on every tight corner. Power and unstoppable force. That's the Timber Pro TL 745D paired with the mighty Quadco 27SC. It moves like a fire-breathing dragon, effortlessly tearing through towering trees with unrivaled speed and strength. You can practically feel the ground shake beneath its immense power. This isn't just a machine, it's a symphony of steel and hydraulics, a true marvel of human engineering. So the question is, are you ready to conquer the wilderness with this unstoppable force of